Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to convert USDT to Tron in Trust Wallet. All you have to do is go to your Trust Wallet app, then click on Swap at the right side. Now, from ETH, change it USDT or click on Tether USD. Now, on the strong at the bottom, change it Tron or TRX. But there is no available from my phone. Then type amount you want in your USDT. After that, click on Preview Swap. If there's not available in your country, click on Browser. Then search for pancakeswap.finance. Then follow the instruction in their page. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.